What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the all-new high hold system from Blumaan. This here is their newest system, designed of course to deliver results, because okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm gonna absolutely resist, because if I don't, I'm gonna do it the entire video. It's in my head in a loop now. I'm just gonna keep doing it. It's probably gonna get old. I'm not making any promises though, because it is so much it's so much fun, and honestly I have to keep myself somewhat entertained or things get very boring very quickly. Anyway, the new system from Blumaan here is made up of products that we are very familiar with here on the channel. We got the original by Blumaan styling Meraki and the fifth sample styling mask pomade. This system involves utilizing the major strengths from each of these products and basically putting them to use in ways that maximize the results from each one to then collectively bring about one great result for you in your hair. So essentially what we're doing here is we're taking the good things from the original by Blumaan and the good things from the fifth sample, and we're putting them out there, and then we're also letting them go together to create one awesome result. And so that all starts with the PreStyler, and in this case the system calls for original in the pre-styling seat. We have been talking a lot about the fifth sample being a great PreStyler lately, and it still absolutely is. I'm not changing anything about that, but here we really want to set a foundation that is not only based in hold and volume, but we also want it to blend really easily with the post-styler and not just clash and muddle things up with it. And original is like I said in the past, original is like a chameleon pre-styler. You can use it with almost anything and it really won't throw it off or impact the finish or weigh the hair down, make it look shiny, or just look muddied up with the post-styler. So that's why they included it in this system, and that's why we're starting off with it. Now though, we move on to step 2, the final step of this system, and that's with the fifth sample. We're using this here for one, its fantastic hold. It's really going to just lock hands with the hold that the original is already brought into the game here, and then just enhance it and make it run all day. This is also the part where you can kind of utilize the versatility of the fifth sample too. You can kind of customize it based on your preferences and your hair type too, by utilizing a smaller amount for like a looser look, or you can even use a larger amount for folks that need something like more polished or more held together, or somebody who needs a lot more hold in their hair. I myself am using a medium amount, kind of in the middle there. I'm going for my usual preference of a semi-clean cut look that has a mixture of polished bits and kind of messy bits here and there. Now this is my end result with this system, and the thing that I really want to get across is that it can be customized for the hair type. So for example, if you have thicker hair than me and you really need a lot of hold, the pre-styling step 1 is going to help a ton to begin with, but it's the step 2 where you can kind of customize it for you. You can use a bit more of the pomade, and then really you should be good to go based on the performance of the pomade. But if you have thinner or finer hair, step 1 is still going to really help you out a lot, but you kind of do the opposite. Basically use a little bit less of the pomade so it doesn't overpower your style and weigh things down, and take down all that volume that you introduce in step 1. That's pretty much it though. I mean, that's pretty bit. This system is very easy to work with. It's very intuitive, and that's pretty much all there is to it. It obviously works well for me. I've been using both of these forever now, and if you want to try these out for yourself, you can use my name at blumaan.com. It's just Mike. Put that in the coupon box. Save yourself some money on your next order. That's pretty much it. Again, that's all I got for you today. Just a nice quick little video here. Make sure you tap that like button for me and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any more questions also on this system or any of the other Blumaan products, throw them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them for you. I do always look forward to hearing from you guys, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.